Okay, something I want to share because I do not do this a lot. When the sun was coming up, I will say it like that. It was nice and warm in the tent, so I washed myself with water from the rain, and it was outside there with the thing that you are seeing here. So I was washing myself just with the water, nothing else, but the sun was shining on me and I liked it so much, and I want to experience what the water will do with my body. I see this for now, so we will see if it is healthy enough or not. So now I really want to clean my hair because it's been long before I did this, so I will now do this. So I will start with combing and Aliana will film me how I wash my hair, clean my hair just with baking soda. I will show you in a moment. I just go and check the machine of the cacao for the moment because I hear that there is something not correct. So I just will do that first. That's important for me. I was hearing something here. Okay, everything is okay. If it is okay, then we can go. So Aliana will film me because otherwise, yeah, I have two hands, you know. So I will comb my hair outside, of course. It's nice from temperature. And then the baking soda. So it is just coming from here. So I use this now a little bit, you will see. It's this. It's just totally natural. You can read what's in there, that there is nothing extra in it, just from nature, and that I will do. Chickens will love it too. No, it's not to eat. Oh. Yeah.
Is here okay?
Here. Yeah, if you want.
Mind the camera? Can I turn the camera too? Or
Turn why?
because it's not so easy to see this.
No, like this you need to film like this. Because it's on YouTube. On Instagram it's different, but you can stand. It's very close that you are standing here now.
But I can't
You
turn.
just hold it and keep it there.
But they can't
It's
really.
just to let them see. No, not closer. Don't touch the screen.
But
Do not
Mama.
do anything. You just hold the camera and you are just filming me.
Waarom mag papa dat dan wel doen?
I asked you if you want to do this and you say yes.
Because it's. I thought I can do something else too.
Now you just need to hold the camera just like that. Because if you are moving, the people will see too. That's okay too, because it's perfect in the imperfection. You are learning that. But that's now how you just hold your camera. We can make a video in 2 parts, combing my hair and washing my hair. So because if it's like that, the energy of you is not nice. Because if you want to do something, you do it with passion and you do it with love, not like this. Because now I do not know how you are filming me.
But it's fine.
You have it on a very special way.
but it's fine.
My hair is still a little bit wet. I'll leave my earrings in here. You want to comb your hair too? You have no. You have feathers. She's like, what are you doing here? You have no food for me. What are you doing here?
This is cacao. You don't see your eyes in the camera.
No?
No.
Oh, it feels so good to comb too.
Brush it.
Brush, yeah.
How are you looking, cacao?
And by brushing, oh, I learned fast. The hair, you brush it from above to beneath, and the oil of your own head will make your hair softer. This is what I learned because I was a hairdresser. So there were a lot of things that was changing. If I was more conscious about products, so I will do not use any anymore.
And there is Bitcoin. The very, very brave Bitcoin. Chicken. Hey, Bitcoin. Lijkt of wij jullie doorstappen. Je hebt zo'n grote ogen, cacao. everything fine with you too?
Okay, kitty. They are looking like very...
Ja, nou.
What are you sitting here? What are you doing?
Van Bitcoin zie je de ogen. Of van Bitcoin you see the eyes. Tiny. Doe in je ogen eens.
Okay, then later I will do it upside down. First, I'm going to take a towel for myself.
And what? Towel?
Een handdoek.
Oh. Bitcoin! These huge things.
And that's my first moment that I do this outside. So I will just go and pick some place. You can come if you want.
Oh, that's too sunny.
Here in the sun, you want to go there?
Yep. I'll go there. I will.
So now I do it upside down because I need my hands.
That's better. Bitcoin, that's coming true. My mother is doing it right now. If you want to ever brush your hairs, then you could look at this video. Is it good? And give a thumb up. This one.
Okay, for me it's good. I come closer.
Oh, that's, yeah, you can. That's very close.
Yeah.
Close. There wasn't just a spider on me.
Okay.
Don't know why. Huh? The spur! No, he's not open. You'll need to go to there. That's Bitcoin. That's cacao. That's the black one. Ja, hij is open, hij is open, hij is open. Echt waar, dat is nu. Het is open.
Yay! Oh, it's one.
Boom. There you are. Oh, shit.
Nice! Oh.
Mommy? Mommy? Did you use already baking soda? I think no, but it might be yes.
So I have a lot of hair and long hair, so...
Why don't you say woo?
Oh, I like it.
Your hair is good washed.
Okay.
No baking soda.
Now I just pick a little bit of baking soda. And I do it a bit everywhere. Especially on my skin. The chickens like it too. And just softly do like this. What feels good for me, I do. And this is what I always do in the bathroom too. But then not like this, upside down. I just stand under the water. And then I rinse it again a little bit, and I'll do it once again.
And Mommy, on the end we'll make a rainbow. Look, the rainbow is there.
Ah.
He was there. But I want you showing that there. So at the point where I'm waiting there, so there I will make a rainbow if Mommy keeps the camera. That will be pretty, very pretty. Spencer, ben je nu weer? Ga op mama's. Oei. Oei.
It's very refreshing, I must say.
Oei. Too busy.
enjoying and clean it. Good. I will make that my brush is clean too.
She's cleaning her brush now with her 2 hands. No chance.
Oh.
That's a long video.
So now it's very important for me that everything is out. Very nice.
Whew. Mama.
And nice about this is I can totally go inside with this thing.
The rainbow! Again!
Yeah. It's massage for my head.
You can make to do it for your whole body. Are you almost done?
Yeah, almost. A little bit for myself.
Oh, rainbow! That made a rainbow. Yeah!
Again?
Yeah. That's really pretty.
Yay! Oh!
Done?
Keep moving, keep filming.
Oh, my hand.
My hands are not for free for the moment. But I'm totally refreshed. I want more. Oh!
Just not nice.
And the water is back for the earth. That's making me happy too.
Whew.
Oh. Thank you. This is how I do it. And now we will see how the rest
No, don't.
will feel.
First, we'll make a rainbow.
Rainbow? You make already rainbows.
But I want to film it.
Ah, nice colors. Not through there.
No. Oh, that. Mine.
Yeah, there it is. You will see if you will see it. Thank you for watching, and clean with total natural things from the earth. Blessings, lot of love. Give me some comments and subscribe and share my love.